What is emergency heat and how does it work?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to demystify a term that can cause a bit of confusion for homeowners: emergency heat. What is it, and how does it work? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what emergency heat is, when to use it, and how it operates.
What is emergency heat?
To start, let's define the term. Emergency heat, also known as auxiliary heat, is a secondary heating system built into most heat pumps. It's designed to be used when the primary heating system is not working or is unable to effectively heat your home due to extremely cold weather. Emergency heat sources can vary based on your particular heating system, but they are generally less energy efficient than your primary heat pump. They can be electric resistance heaters, or in some cases, a backup fossil fuel-based system like natural gas, propane, or oil.
When should emergency heat be used?
Now that we know what it is, when should we use it? Emergency heat is not designed for regular use. It's primarily there for situations when your heat pump can't do the job on its own. This might be due to a malfunction or if it's simply too cold outside for the heat pump to operate efficiently. Here's a rule of thumb. If the outside temperature falls below the balance point of your heat pump, usually around 35 degrees Fahrenheit, 2 degrees Celsius, depending on the model, the heat pump might struggle to maintain the desired indoor temperature. That's when the emergency heat can kick in. But remember, due to its lower energy efficiency, it should only be a temporary solution.
How does emergency heat work?
Now let's dive into how it works. When the heat pump is not able to keep up with your heating needs, you can manually activate the emergency heat on your thermostat. Once activated, your heat pump will stop pulling heat from outside and the secondary, emergency heating system will take over. Keep in mind that using emergency heat can result in higher energy bills because it often uses more electricity or burns fossil fuels. When your heat pump is repaired or when the weather warms up, you should switch back to the regular heating mode to save on energy. And that's a wrap on emergency heat. Now you know what it is, when to use it, and how it operates. While it can be a lifesaver in certain situations, remember it's not designed for regular use and can lead to higher energy costs. If you're relying on emergency heat frequently, it might be a sign that you need to service your primary heat pump or consider a more efficient heating solution. Stay warm and make smart choices for your home's heating needs.